Hello guys, Julian here from Just8ate.com, and today we're going to be making
Spicy Garlic Mayo.
Alright, let's hit the kitchen.
Yeah.
3 tablespoons of mayo. Everything is 3 tablespoons of mayo. Everything. Okay. Everything is 3 tablespoons of mayo.
That's like gut busting fun.
It's like 3, 5, or 8. That's my number.
The number 8 has been coming up an awful lot.
Yes. Okay. So that was 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise.
Are you having fun in your kitchen? We're having fun in our kitchen.
And then the chili garlic sauce. By.
Oh my god, it's
In
a
the
different
bottom, I
language.
told you.
It's a different language.
Right here. It's Vietnamese.
I don't read Vietnamese, but I'll do my best.
Oh my god, hurry up.
Huy Fong Foods.
There we go. I'm gonna put half tablespoon, or are you willing to have 1 tablespoon?
1 tablespoon.
So, 1 tablespoon.
Again, that's Huy Fong Foods Incorporated.
Yep.
Amazon.com.
And you're just gonna stir this baby up. Comment down below to let me know if you have tried this
Spicy Garlic Mayo.
before. It's practically the same as the same company as your sriracha, but the difference between the garlic chili sauce by
Huy Fong.
is it has chunks of garlic in this sauce, so it's practically chunky sriracha. So, you know, I love garlic. I don't know about you, but comment down below if you like garlic. And so, it's very simple. As long as you have those 2 ingredients at home, you don't need to buy another bottle of sriracha mayo or mayo sriracha, whatever you call it.
Spicy Garlic Mayo.
Well, this is spicy garlic mayo. I'm talking about the bottle that you could buy already made.
Oh, right.
Yeah. Anyways, that's how you make.
Spicy Garlic Mayo.
So, I'm going to be doing a shout out next from my last uploaded video. Stay tuned.
Alright, you know what I like to say, expand your mind, explore your palate, let's keep chasing the flavor, my aters. Hey, if you want to stay up to date with Just8ate, hello, that's me, Judy Ann here, yes. Make sure you're hitting the red subscribe button and the bell, and since you're right there, hit the like, and hey, if you don't like this video, hit the dislike 2 times, eh? Keep it reals. See you in the next video.